Okay, it's about 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The winds have definitely picked up a little bit. We have some strange noises going on. I'm hoping to capture one while I'm filming right now. Someone had remarked that it's a transformer. These are the kind of the transformers that are in our neighborhood. None of them are making noise, and if they're making a noise like that, we wouldn't have power right now. So I don't think it's that. But the winds are picking up, thank God. A lot of the trees don't have many leaves on them, because then it would create a kite effect and knock them down. It's easier for the wind to go through the empty branches without the leaves. So that's kind of a plus that this storm's hitting this time of year. There's not a lot of leaves. Some of the trees have some leaves, but majority of them are empty. So that helps. But it's strange, we really don't have a high sustained wind, just a sustained breeze at this time, so we're kind of lucking out. But I can hear the gusts, they're coming and going. They whip up really good here every once in a while. There's a nice gust now coming through. This wind-blown rain coming at me here. Here comes a nice gust. Still hearing like jet sounds. I don't know what planes would be coming out of Mercer Airport flying around in here, but we can hear them. I don't know if the cam's picking that up or not. Now there's a real loud booming. I don't know if the cam's picking that up or not. It literally sounds like jets up there. As you can see, that's not wind, folks. Very, very odd. Nothing's moving here like that. It's not wind. I don't know what it is. I do hear a light breeze now in the background, but very strange. Hear it? Let me check back.